Hi everyone, my name is Esther. I am from VictorianLaneFarms.com. Today I am taking you along with me as I make over my porch, so stay tuned. First, I'm going to show you what my porch looks like before my makeover. I have this rug that I got from Magnolia Market, and it's a little ratty, so I'm going to change that out. And this is the barrel ring wreath that I made a while back. I will link that blog post and video of how to make that below. Here is another view of my porch. Alright, so one of the very first things I'm going to do is I am going to take everything off of my porch. So my goal for this porch is to use what I already have. I'm going to add a few things that will give it a nice refresh, but I don't want to spend a lot of money to redo this porch. I found some beautiful plants that are great for under porches that will last throughout the season because they are for shaded areas, so I'm really excited to add those. So now I am sweeping all the debris from the bad weather we've had and all the leaves and dirt. I've been wanting to do this makeover for a while, but had an unexpected surgery 3 weeks ago, and I'm feeling better now, and so it feels good. I did a quick sweep of my porch, kind of in a hurry. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to share with you guys a quick way to clean your house when company's coming over, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, so I'm having company over, so this is not going to be as elaborate as I wanted to. I wanted to, you know, take a pressure washer and wash the cement here on the porch, and I just don't have time for that today. But I'm going to even we have my brother-in-law living with us, so maybe I might have him do it for me. We'll see if he does. Okay, so now on to putting things back. I'm rearranging the furniture to create inviting areas for my family and I to come out and lounge on sunny days this summer. I have this rocking chair that has been in my family since I was around 10 years old, I think. So I love having that around. I bought these really beautiful pillows like this one from Amazon. I will link these ones down below. They are so pretty. I will show you up close, and at the end you'll see the reveal. And here is some rugs I found. I love this welcome rug. Isn't that pretty? It's so nice. I love it. And then I'm going to put some soil in some flower pots that I already have. Those are getting so expensive, aren't they? So anyway, I am taking 2 ferns and putting them in the back. And it's really, I don't know the names of all the plants, but the one in the front has really pretty blue flowers, and I love how it will drape over as it grows. So I am loosening up the roots to make sure that it's able to take in water. And this one's being a little stubborn. I had to cut it out because the roots are holding it in the pot. But I got it out, and that's what it's going to look like. Alright, so I added soil to those, just so you know. But now I am doing another plant. The holes in here weren't all the way through, so I had to take a hammer and make the holes more prominent so I can get some water in there and I can drain. So I'm adding this flower in. Here is the
a reveal. I'm so excited for you to see it.
I am loving how this porch turned out. What do you guys think? By adding a few pillows and some rugs and some plants, I think it gave it a beautiful spring and summer look. Like these pillows. I love that sweet porch pillow and the bright pink floral pillow and farmer's market. And then these are some lanterns that I have already had for a couple of years. I love this green color. And then here's my welcome sign. And this is one of those plants that I found at Home Depot. It's a shaded plant for under porches. So I think that's going to be beautiful for the season. And I got these actually from Molbach's. It's a nursery in our area that everyone loves to go to here in Seattle. And so that was fun, finding these beautiful flowers. That just makes this whole makeover worth it. I just love that. And over here in this corner is my cozy chair and ottoman and the beautiful floral pillow and these rugs. And then I love how my wreath just fits right in. I love this makeover. What do you guys think? Now that I am getting better after my surgery, this was a great start to welcoming myself back to reality and all the fun things that I love to do and creating beautiful spaces. I hope you guys look forward to more videos that's coming up. I have some ideas of things I want to share with you.
So thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, bye for now.